In the previous video, I explained how and why the British East India Company got lucky in colonizing the Indian subcontinent, which was not a cakewalk. But what if they had not been so lucky? What if India had managed to avoid colonization? This video will depict an alternate history, which is part of the backstory of my novel Expedition to an Alternate Swarajya. So let's get started. The Carnatic Sultanate had been a Maratha tributary state after the capture of Chanda Sahib and the establishment of Safdar Ali Khan as Nawab. Peshwa Balaji Bajirao or Nana Sahib I had internal strife with Raghuji Bhosle of Nagpur, leading to no reinforcement to Murari Rao in Trichinopoly against the Nizam. Marathas lost Carnatic to Nizam Asaf Jah I after the siege of Trichinopoly. After the murder of Safdar Ali Khan and his infant son, an independent new dynasty under Anwaruddin Khan became Nawab of Carnatic. He was supported by Nizam Nasir Jung and the British East India Company. Escaped Chanda Sahib, Muzaffar Jung, and the French joined hands, leading to a succession crisis in Carnatic and Deccan for the positions of Nawab and Nizam respectively. After Nasir Jung of the British side was killed, Salabat Jung of the French side was made the Nizam. Later, after Salabat Jung was defeated by Marathas under Sadashivrao Bhau at the Battle of Udgir, he was weakened. He was later killed and Asif Jah II of the British side was made the Nizam. Similarly, Chanda Sahib of the French side was killed and the son of Anwaruddin, Muhammad Ali Khan Walaja of the British side was made Nawab. Maratha and Mysore supported the British in this battle against the French. The British became powerful in the south while the French went into decline. The Nawab of Bengal, Alivardi Khan, had promised the Raja of Nagpur, Raghuji Bhosle, tributes or Chaut and Deshmukhi. But after they both died, things got tricky. Siraj-ud-Dowlah of Bengal was going through a conspiracy by the British East India Company, Mir Jafar, Jagat Seth, and other merchants and officials. In this alternate reality, a wakil or representative of Nagpur in the Bengal court learned about this conspiracy and convinced Siraj to seek Maratha help. Janoji Bhosle emerged as Raja of Nagpur after putting down revolts against his brothers. He quickly sent troops to Bengal, saving Siraj from the battle against the British and conspirators. This way, he secured the tributes from the richest province of India, not only depriving the British of the riches but also averting the Battle of Buxar that would have given the company access to Mughal Emperor Shah Alam II to legitimize their rule in India. Events in the Peshwa court remained similar, with Raghunath Rao proven guilty for Narayan Rao's murder, leading to his escape to Bombay and the First Anglo-Maratha War. But in this alternate reality, without access to Bengal and control over Shah Alam II, the fight became easier for the Marathas, and with the help of the Nizam and Hyder Ali, not only the West but also Carnatic was liberated from British influence. The Tanjore Marathas once again became a tributary state of Pune. The British went into decline while the French gained ground in Mysore. The British regained alliance with Marathas due to the French-Mysore alliance. Tipu Sultan's rising military technology, thanks to the French, and his expansionist policy made Nizam, Marathas, Travancore, and the British unite. This led to the Third Anglo-Mysore War, where Tipu lost half of his territories to the alliance. Marathas gained northern Karnataka, Nizam gained the east, and the British gained the southern part. Like in our world, here too, the revenue system based on uncertain agriculture, irregular tributes from other states, trade issues due to conflicts, and indebtedness from the wars, leading to a scarcity of fortunes in the Maratha Empire. Quarrels arose among Holkars, Scindias, the Peshwa, and the Chhatrapati. Some events post the death of Savai Madhavrao Peshwa remain unchanged. This led to an alliance of Scindia ladies, the widows of Mahatji, with Yashwantrao Holkar, Amritrao, Chhatrapati Shahu II of Satara, and Chhatrapati Shivaji III of Kolhapur against Daulatrao Scindia, Kashirao Holkar, Peshwa Bajirao II, and Sarjirao Ghatke. In this alternate reality, Nana Fadnavis, in this situation, took the side of the monarchical faction, leading to Bajirao's defeat. While Daulat Rao had to make truce with the ladies, Sarjirao was executed. Yashwant Rao became the chief of the Holkar clan after Kashirao's demise, and Chhatrapati Shahu II got back some of his executive powers with Nana's help. Amrit Rao became Peshwa as Bajirao fled to Bombay. This led to the Second Anglo-Maratha War, resulting in Maratha victory and the end of British ambition in India. In this theatre, the Tanjore Marathas and the Mysore Maharaja joined the force to liberate the south as well. The British control got restricted to Bombay, Calcutta, and Madras. By the 1840s, machine-made technology reached the Maratha business class, who slowly moved away from handmade production. Indian bankers and business class like the Banyas, Parsis, Daivadnyas, and Saraswats introduced these technologies to the Maratha territories. This happened due to the pressure created by the British after their introduction of cheap machine-made copies of Indian textiles, implementation of tariffs and bans on Indian exports, and also loss of trade in Southeast Asia, Africa, and Iran. This is where the story of my second novel begins, The Council, Roots of Alternate Swarajya. Stay tuned for more updates, and meanwhile order your copy of Expedition to an Alternate Swarajya now.